on this auspicious occasion, I welcome you all. Sri Ramakrishna used to say that Satchidananda itself is Guru. Satchidananda only is the Guru. Holy Mother used to say that Thakur is our Guru as well as Ishta. Rameshananda Maharaj, Holy Mother's disciple, he used to say that every year we worship Durga through different images in different places. Similarly, we also worship through different Guru form, the same Sri Ramakrishna and Holy Mother. So this is our tradition, this is our culture. So on this holy occasion, I pray to Guru Maharaj, Holy Mother, Swamiji to bestow us strength, vigor to withstand all sorts of wills and woes and give us the mental peace. Thank you.